Pi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Usimbut menturang ba obakmi ikatanat polis Bah Prestone tensong loong baga sarkar jilla kaladeban ujor shakamik halaya High Court persha ika hukum janga District Court kabalai jamin ika Sonam Raghuvanshi haga kes jinyap uraja Raghuvanshi na indoor. Bah Prestone ulaya daru ika jing toket jangki Pulit bat ong bakam dan ganu jing bakla ka bakraw na kaliang jangki bor jingeda. An ulo ang baga jingyat ka an kadon nagi jongki kendon bar ka yung ka shuri kan sa shim ya ka rai ka bakhato ka District Court kala ai jameni ka Sonam harin bakla lam ya ki jingbam ya ha baki kot jingyo kem ba jingye thu pat ba ya ki nong rim jong ka jingkem.
Simple, let me tell you. See, for this first phase, we have calculated it takes only 30 days. Only 30 days, the teachers can go to those designated villages where we already assigned. Only 30 days. That 30 days also, it is up to them. You know, because they can work maybe after school, 2 hours, 3 hours. They can go along with the help of the traditional heads, the Bah Prestone. They'll go maybe 4-5 houses in a day, another 4-5 houses in a day, because this is about the enumeration. Okay, it's about the enumeration. The form is already there. The prescribed form is already there. Ask, fill up, explain to the citizens of the state. It's very simple. So we have already calculated that it is not that overloaded of work is there. Rather, I should say, there'll be also beneficially, monetarily benefited, because we are also giving them some bonus, lump sum amount for 1 month. I think the range is between 15 to 20,000. That is the thing. So I don't see any problem as of now, because those teachers, and not only that, it's not only from the state government level we did this. This is done because the charge officer is the BDO of the respective block. So the BDO will only engage them after consultation with the Bah Prestone, with the managing committee, and then with the concerned department. So once that is done, then only the order for engaging them in this activity starts. Recently also we discussed about this. My only humble request to all those concerned who receive such messages, please don't hesitate to come quietly, file FIR or inform us, even informally. We are there to track it down. And we are here to make sure that everybody are safe, everybody are doing business peacefully. So therefore, any such kind of messages, if they receive, I would request all of them, kindly send it immediately to the police station or the police outpost, or even to the district headquarters of the police and the state headquarters.
But police can take his own.
That is different issue. What I'm saying, because see, you don't know. Maybe they must have received 2 weeks or 3 weeks back. They kept quiet. They did not share with us. They did not inform us till it came out in the public. So yeah, for so motto is different issue. But what I'm saying is, those concerned stakeholders, in case if they receive such messages, I would request all of them, don't hesitate. Please don't hesitate. Bring it to the notice of the government, and action will be taken accordingly.
So whether we agree to disagree, but it's a fact that this creates fear psychosis among the people. So what would you like to tell the citizens?
Well, I would like to request the citizens of the state, don't be scared. We are there. But in case if you don't share with us such information, again we'll have problem. I would request all of them, kindly don't be scared. Be it Channel C or be it a group of thieves or be it any group of criminals, please don't be scared. We are there and we are firm. We will deal with them very, very firmly from now on.
So another question that is really...
I'm not aware right now. So since I'm not aware, I think you, I don't know, from where will you ask again this question. But in my level, I'm not aware of it.
There are some concerns.
Appeal to the higher court, to the Honorable High Court. So let the court decide, because we contested against the bail the bail granting done by the lower court. So as I said to you, let us wait and we'll see what the higher court says.
But sir, there have been different allegations against the police. So it's like, it's a moral duty also, because police, they have been, they're saying that this cannot be just a clerical error. So,
No, in fact, from our side, we have tried our best, we have done well. And you know well, even our police officers, be it the SIT or be it anybody, we are all well equipped. Okay? As far as the handling such cases is concerned, procedures, rules, regulation has to be followed one by one. So therefore, there is no such lapses from the police side. As I said to you, let us see. Because see, in the court, it happens this way only. One court maybe they grant bail. The other court may stay the bail, petition bail. So these are the issues where ultimately, as I said, let the court decide.
So another issue, you might have seen the reports today. The HMLC has been